Okay, so let's look at the top-down analysis for GBPJPY. I've already marked everything out, so I'm just going to be talking over them. So now, GBPJPY was originally in a downtrend. You can see making lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and he didn't make a lower low. So that's the first sign. That's the first sign that I've seen that is going to maybe be bullish in a while. So I've seen that price has reacted off this demand zone here. It has reacted off this demand zone and it's going up. So I believe that price is going to push higher in the future. It has already broken past this internal lower high, so it's giving me a bullish picture. It's going to give me a bullish idea that price is going to go up. Secondly, you can see that liquidity has been swept. So liquidity is just an area where a lot of retail traders, a lot of people have their stop losses at. So institutions like banks and hedge funds sweep these areas to fill their own orders to make the bigger push. So you can see here, people will see this as a resistance zone. So because see, you see here as a resistance zone. So because people that do support and resistance, the see this as a good zone to buy out because it's that sorry, it's our support. So they'll put their buy orders here and they'll place their stop loss just beneath it. So the hedge funds and the banks know this. So they're going to manipulate price that it hits their stop loss and makes a big push in the opposite direction. So yeah, we can see that price has done this before, and price when he did it right, he made a demand zone that got retested. So this is the demand zone. So he formed the demand zone. Coming. Okay, see, you can see here. This was the last candle before this big push up. So, and it plus it broke structure, so it makes the demand zone more valid. You can see that after price broke through this internal lower high structure, it came down, retested, and continues back up, and brings us to current price action now. So it's Saturday and the markets are closed till Monday. So I'm just doing my analysis to prepare for the week ahead. So this is what I think is going to happen. You can see that price has swept liquidity before and formed a demand zone that later got retested. And we can see the same thing happening here. You can see this lows getting retested. Price swept it. So the same thing that happened here, it has a high chance of repeating itself here. So this is a demand zone on the 4-hour time frame. So this is a demand zone. Ah, this is a demand zone. I can see it's currently getting tested, but I believe it's going to go lower. Test some demand zone maybe on the 30-minute zone, 30 minutes before pushing higher. So let's go to the 2-hour. You can see a refined. Let's refine our demand zone to this point over here. You can see swept liquidity, formed demand zone, broke structure. A demand zone is valid if it breaks structure. So it's breaking structure here. That means it's either moving higher than its previous point. It's moving higher or lower than its previous point, depending on the trend. Since we're in an uptrend, a break of structure is if price prints a higher candlestick than the last high. So it has to break a structure that forms a valid demand zone. So we are also waiting for what we are waiting for now is for price to come back here. We put our sell limits here, our stop loss just beneath this demand zone, and our take profit to here. This will give us a 3.7 risk to reward. Easy money. That's what I'm expecting to happen this upcoming week. So that's it, guys. See you in the next one.